Hey guys, so the rear blinker on our Honda scooter here, the Zuma X, is broken, so we want to replace that here with a new one. And there's two things we have to focus on. One is the screw that mounts the blinker to the scooter, and then of course here the wiring harness. That's just two wires. So we're going to use here a 10mm socket, and we're going to find the screw here right where this arrow points to here behind on the bottom. Going to take out this nut, and then we can pretty much almost pull out the entire blinker, but we have to consider there's still the harness here, those two wires, and those are connected here under the seat. It's already pulled off the cover for the battery, and you see here this wire here, and we pull on this and you see this is the harness that goes to the blinker, so we have to find the right one. We're just going to pull on those plugs. That's how easy it is to unplug the old blinker. And then before we pull out the whole harness here, we're going to use a piece of wire that we're going to wrap around the first two cables, so the old cables. And now this wire is about 30 centimeter, about a foot long. And then we can pull out the old wires. And then when we're doing that, we're pulling also this piece of wire through. And then this piece of wire we're going to use to connect the new harness, or the harness of our new blinker, to it. So now when we pull that wire back through the scooter here, it's very easy to install the new harness. You see this. Be careful, don't pull too hard in case it gets stuck. Make sure you're not going to lose it. And then you will see here the new wires are coming out at the top. So this is, I think, the easiest way to do this. And then we're going to plug the new wires here into the connectors. Here, in this case here, red to orange and green to black. In case your new plugs are a little bit too small, that you can use like some pliers to squeeze the connector together to make sure the wires are holding. And then the last step is to take off the nut here from that screw, put it through the frame, to the plastic here, and then going to screw that nut on very tightly on the other side. And that was already it. Yeah, so this was already it here, the replacement of our blinker here on a Honda Zuma X scooter. Hope you found the video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.